Thank you, sir.
Good morning. And you are appearing for which interview?
Sir, Union Bank of India, sir.
Acha, Manager Credit.
Manager Credit Specialist Officer, correct, sir.
Excellent. Can you please tell us about yourself?
Yes, sir. Sir, myself, Rajesh Dudala. Basically, I am from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Yes.
I have completed my highest degree, MBA Finance, in the year 2010. After that, I have joined in Cox and Kings India Private Limited, sir, as an accounts officer. I have worked there for 1 year. Due to the passion about this banking and my ambition has become a banker, so I have resigned for that and went for a coaching. After that, 2013, I got my first posting in IDBI Bank Limited, sir, as an executive. So from 2013 to till now, I am working with IDBI Banking, IDBI Bank.
You are in which scale? You are in IBS
scale. IBS scale.
You are in scale 1 or 2?
Currently scale 2, sir. Recently, I got promoted to scale 2, sir.
Excellent. Good. Now, why do you want to come in the same scale 2 from IDBI Bank to our bank? What is the reason? Because you are already in scale 2. Probably
exactly,
you may be drawing more than the starting basic, correct?
Exactly, sir.
What is the starting basic for scale 2?
Scale 2, it is around 68, sir, basic.
Starting.
Yes, sir. Basic 68.
Your basic now is 70,000, 72,000?
Now 68 only, sir.
No, you are 68. I am asking, normally scale 2 starting basic pay is what?
72, I think so, sir. Correct, sir. Recently it got revised, sir. In my bank, recently got revised.
Yeah.
But still, I have not getting that scale 2 because promotion in the month of June only completed, sir.
Oh, very good. Excellent. Very fine.
The scale,
so you attended the IDBI Bank promotion interview, no?
Exactly, sir.
So what were the questions that were asked to you?
Sir, first they have concentrated on this PSL, this one, sir. What is the percentage of amount we can give to education, that which amount it comes under this PSL? Okay, they have, sir. Same question like, tell me about yourself. So far, what are the tasks you have handled in our bank? After promotion, if we give a posting in some different states, are you willing to go? So this kind of questions also they have given.
Very good. No, sufficient. Now let me ask you, please tell me the achievements made by you in IDBI Bank.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, my bank has given me an opportunity to work in different roles, sir, from basically teller to, as of now, as a grade B officer, asset officer. So I have learned a lot in different profiles. So especially in case of assets from past years, which I am handling, very satisfied. I have dealt with big proposals like 5 crores. 5 crores of CC combined sanction, like a CC term loan, as well as this, what you will call this channel finance. So I have processed, I have completed all the documentation part for a proposal of 5 crores. So that whatever the so far I have completed, that is the biggest proposal in my IDBI. I got I got one of the award like uh, best MSME portfolio handling in our bank.
Good. Now, can you tell me what is CMA?
Credit management. CMA. I have studied,
credit monitoring arrangement.
Credit monitoring arrangement, exactly, sir.
What are the different reports of CMA?
Sir, there will be some 2 kinds of reports, sir. One is for profit and loss account, and is for balance sheet, sir. In this CMA, sir,
Continue.
In CMA, we can see different ratios, which is very relevant, mandatory for processing of one credit proposal, sir. In profit and loss account, we will see different ratios. In balance sheet, we will see different ratios. These kind of ratios, we incorporate all the data which is given by the customer in CMA. That's given output based on our data entry. So based on that, we will take a credit decision, sir.
What are the various statements covered in CMA report?
Statements.
You are not prepared. You are not prepared. Yeah. Please see here. Which are the statements covered in the CMA? Are you seeing now?
Yeah, exactly.
Which are the statements covered in the CMA report? Particulars of current and proposed limits. Operating statement. Analysis of balance sheet. Comparative statement of current assets and current liabilities. Calculation of maximum permissible bank finance.
Yes, sir.
Statement. Ratio analysis. So other documents required to prepare CMA, previous 2 years audited financials, latest sanction letter in the case of renewal, provisional financial for the current year, term loan repayment schedule, details of proposed enhancement. All these things. I am giving this link in our WhatsApp page.
Okay, sir.
What is our WhatsApp? Shall I give it in newspaper and also PNB UBI?
Yeah, please, sir.
I will give you PNB UBI. PNB UBI.
Yeah, I got, sir.
Yeah. Correct. Now I will go to next one. I will stop sharing this one. Now let me ask you next question. Yeah. What is profitability ratio? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Profitability ratio.
Profitability ratio, we will see how the company is getting the profit from past 3 years, whether this is increasing mode or decreasing mode. We will check in this profitability ratio, sir.
True, but what are called profitability ratios?
I mean, components.
Which ratios are called profitability ratios? I think I have given you 2-3 videos on this also. Please prepare about that.
Okay, sir.
You are not able to tell it correctly. Okay. Then what is debt equity ratio and what is its formula?
So debt equity ratio will deal with whether the borrower is sufficient to cover the whatever the debts so far he is having. This ratio will tell whether he is having that much liquidity to cover all the debts, sir.
Sorry, I think you are telling wrong thing. What is debt equity ratio? It will tell you what is the total borrowings of the company and what is the total net fund, owned fund of the company.
Okay, sir.
Debt to equity is a gearing ratio comparing company's liabilities to shareholder equity. I'm showing you.
Yes, sir.
What is good debt equity ratio? Why it matters? So this is what the debt to equity. Please read this. Debt to equity ratio.
The debt to equity ratio is a financial leverage ratio which is frequently calculated and analyzed that comprises a company's total liability to its shareholders' equity.
Continue.
The debt equity ratio is considered to be gearing ratio, a financial ratio that comprises the owner's equity or capital to debt or funds borrowed by the company. The debt equity ratio is calculated by dividing a corporation's total liability by its shareholders' equity. The optional debt equity ratio varies by industry.
Hello. What are you reading? Optimal.
Optimal debt equity ratio varies by industry, but it should not be above a level of 2.0.
That is 2. 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. That is, if the equity is 100, the debt can go up to maximum 200.
Okay, sir.
Continue, last point.
The debt equity ratio of 2 indicates the company derives 2/3 of its capital financing from debt and 1/3 from shareholders' equity.
That's all.
Okay, sir. Okay,
very. Let me go for the next question. See, you must be able to answer such questions confidently.
Okay, sir.
Now, next question for you. I am asking only questions that have been asked in the previous interview. I think this is especially Punjab National Bank. Doesn't matter. Whatever bank it is, similar. Now, next question is, which sector at present, are you not having these questions with you? This credit office questions compiled. I have given you, na?
No, sir. Actually, in WhatsApp, sir.
No. In the group itself, it is there. In the file, in the credit officer interview file folder, I have given you in OneDrive. In that itself, it is there.
Okay, sir. I'll check, sir.
See, this is what it is.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Recently, I have joined in this group, sir.
You don't know. Acha. See, there are so many, 42 pages totally questions.
Okay.
So this is where I am asking. These are the questions asked in Punjab National Bank, scale 2, about 1 year back.
Okay.
I am asking from there only. And next question. Yeah, next question for you. Sir. This is your first interview with me or second interview? First.
No, first only, sir.
Yeah. Which sector at present is lucrative for financing?
Manufacturing.
Tell me.
Sir, manufacturing sector is a best sector so far to finance, sir.
Manufacturing of what?
Food items, food related, like spices. These are very giving good opportunities and for unemployment persons. So food related is always means evergreen industry. As for this one, sir, in my knowledge.
Yeah, but I think the answer, it is telling. See, the answer is not coming here. I searched in Copilot, it is not coming. But in my view, infrastructure financing will be more beneficial for the companies for the banks, because the bank will be able to get the company will be able to get good return and will be able to repay. So you can search in Google also which sectors are more profitable nowadays. That sector only we should give.
Okay, sir.
What is the process involved in financing of road projects? Please study all these things. You don't know, I know. Please prepare.
Yes, I will prepare this document.
Yeah. Now, this question you must be able to answer me. How RBI is adjusting liquidity in the economy?
Sir, by this monetary policy, they are adjusting all the liquidity in the economy, sir. By changing reverse repo, CRR, SLR. Reverse repo is the main component, sir.
Sorry, you are telling wrongly. You should tell repo, not reverse repo.
Yeah, repo is the main component, sir.
So tell me how altering repo will affect the economy.
Sir, repo means arranging short-term funds to the bank. At what rate the RBI is arranging short-term funds to the bank? If there is a more liquidity to the banks also will be able to give funds to their borrowers. So borrowers will start new industries. So if they can able to start new industry, employment will increase. So once if employment is increased, automatically the economy will also grow, sir. Like that, they will pass all the benefits to the ground levels.
This is not the answer. The answer is
Sir.
the repo rate will be increased when the inflation is at a higher level. And that will increase the rate of interest charged to the banks. So banks will borrow less from RBI, and
Yes,
the amount lent to borrowers also will come down. And this will help reduce the inflation.
yes, sir.
Reverse, if the inflation rate is below 2%, the optimal rate of RBI wants is 2% to 6%.
Okay.
Right now, it is on 5.09% or so.
Okay.
So, if it is below 2%, they will reduce the repo rate.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Automatically, other rates also gets revised. That is bank rate, marginal standing facility rate, and all that. Okay. Very good. What are the types of government securities?
Government securities, you're asking, say, this one, sir?
Yeah. What are the different types of government securities?
Bonds they will give, sir. Government bonds, sir.
Correct. Types of government securities, what we are getting here is treasury bills.
Yes, treasury bills.
Then dated government securities, state development loans.
Yes, sir.
Then at least these three, if you tell, that is sufficient.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You
Treasury
please
bills.
search in Google and try to read.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. Next, what is HTM?
HTM. No, sir. No idea, sir.
That is held till maturity.
Yes, I studied held till maturity. Yes, that.
Maturity.
Yes.
That is the stocks being retained with us, held to maturity, how they work. Bonds, this is the one. It is coming under Investopedia. I am giving the link of this to you.
Okay, sir.
In our RBI PNB group.
Okay.
Also newspaper.
I got, sir.
But only this, right now only U.B.I and PNB people are there. Anything will do. So this will do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Next question for you. Where am I? Yeah. Next question for you. What have you prepared for this interview?
For interview, I have prepared what are the documents we will take for loan processing and which sector we will choose. What are the due diligence we have to follow before processing loans, sir?
Good. So please prepare for that question also.
Yes,
now,
sir. Yes, sir.
What is the derivatives market? So now actually what you have to do is you have to go through all these questions and
sir.
try to prepare your answer and be ready to answer. Who is the Deputy Governor of RBI now?
Deputy Governor.
There are four Deputy Governors. Janaki Raman Swaminathan.
Okay, sir.
Then, Swaminathan Janaki Raman, I think so. Then next one is M.D. Patro. Then Rajeshwar Rao.
Okay.
Then T. Ravi Shankar.
Okay, okay, sir.
Who is the chairman of World Bank?
World Bank
Ajay
chairman,
Banga. Ajay
sir.
Banga. Ajay
Ajay,
Banga.
Ajay Banga. Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Best
sir. Thank
wishes. I wish you should read a lot and come prepared for next time when you come. You must be still more prepared for the questions.
you. Sure, sir.
I am just switching. Stop.